This is video number 1, choosing which type of rebuild is for you. In this first video, we're going to go over the options to make this row unit better than new. Pretty severe wear in the arms and the bushings, got a lot of up and down movement and side to side movement. Our first two options to fix this row unit will both give you the same type row unit you're looking for. One's going to require more labor, the other's higher in cost. The cheapest option is our row unit kit, which includes all the parts needed to install our bushings in your own arms. You'll need to ream all of your arms and press the bushings in. We use 1 1/16 bushings in the arms on all planters except for John Deere. On John Deere planters, it's best to take some arms off on the end rows and measure the widest part of the worn hole. If this is less than 1.125, you would use our 1 1/8 bushings. If it is over 1.125, you would need to move up to the 1 3/16 bushings. If your arms are worn past an 1 3/16, you would need to use our larger bushing and fill in around them with JB weld or replace the arms. Our kits come with bolts that have an 11/16 shoulder on them. You can see how loose the OEM bolts are in the bolt holes on the support plate. Our kits fix this problem by reaming out the oversized bolt holes and installing our 11/16 shoulder bolts. We have a short 1-inch long reamer for this that fits in a right angle 3/8 inch drill, which allows you to get most of the bolt holes reamed without removing anything from the planter. We also have these kits with no ream bolts that you do not have to ream the bolt holes. You ream the bolt holes on all 4 spots in the front support plate as well as the row unit. When done, our bolt will no longer move in these holes, which prevents loose bolts from constant movement while planting. Next, we want to show you why we use the hex bushing. You can see there's a lot of movement between the bolt and the bushing on the OEM design. With ours, it screws onto the bolt, and our bushing eliminates all play between the bolt and the bushing. When you are done, you will have double bushings in your arms, bolts that cannot move in the bolt holes, and we have eliminated all movement of the bushing on the bolt. We have fixed every issue the OEM design ignored. Our second option is to purchase our arms. You would not need to ream all of your own. This is the most expensive option, but reduces the amount of labor to do each row unit. The only advantage to this option, besides the work involved, is our arms are made heavier and better than John Deere OEM arms. Our 16-inch arms weigh 6.4 pounds more than the OEM arms per row. If you do not want to ream the bolt holes, or if there are attachments making this difficult, we have the no ream kits available for both the row unit kits and the arm and bushing kits. They are all the same price. The only thing different is you're not fixing the slop in the bolt holes. We're going to go through and show you step by step how to make this row unit like new. And at the end of this video, you're going to see the finished product. Thank you for watching.